Namaskar. Today I am going to show you repotting of plants because most of the plants after 6 months you need to repot them because they have the roots are not able to get enough space. So here I have a moss rose popularly called as office flowers and its sister without flowers. So before repotting, it is advisable to stop watering one day before. So I have not watered this yesterday. So here I take the pot in my left hand or right hand as the case may be. Put my other hand inside. Don't worry if the stems get little bit disturbed because anyway we are going to trim them. Turn the pot upside down and give it a slight jerk. And this is how it looks. So here I have the plant. I'm handling it upside down, holding it upside down. With my other hand, I'm going to remove the soil. Let it fall in the bin. You can see this. I'm slowly removing the soil. This has become a little hard and that's why the plant doesn't grow well and it doesn't give enough flowers because the nutritional value of the soil has also reduced and it has no strength to grow. So likewise I'll keep on removing the soil till all the plants get completely loosened. So I am only ensuring that the entire roots don't break. And finally you will see that the plant is completely free from soil. So I'll remove the soil as much as possible. And now you will see this is my plant. This is my plant. And now I am going to put it in this bucket full of water. Remember this, what I am showing you is a generic process. The moss rose plant doesn't require the roots because it will grow new roots, but I am showing you a generic process. I am taking a scissor, I am removing one of the stems. I'll cut some of the roots and I'll cut some of this as well. And this is how I'll prepare one plant. Okay, I'll do several like this. Let's say I take one more and I cut this also. Why I have to cut this? Because I don't want it to give any flowers for at least some time till the roots become strong one more time. Okay, so this is how I am going to prepare. And then the next step is to actually pot it into a new pot. And I'm going to show you how to prepare the soil for that pot. So now let's prepare the soil for our pot. So this is what I have taken. Soil, approximately 40% will be my soil. I will crush it where I have bigger particles. This is already dried in the sun. So I can crush these bigger particles and make it little finer. Once this is ready, this is my soil which is ready. Now this is 40%. I am going to add 60% of different materials. So this is the dried leaves. So what I am going to do is I am going to crush these dried leaves like this. You will see they will form into a powder. It will be almost like powder. Once this is crushed properly, I can remove the bigger particles. I can add this into the soil. Even if I add full, doesn't matter. This is giving the carbon content for the plant. Remove the impurities and I'll add this full completely. Then I'll add this is 20%. Around 20% I am taking dried cow dung. So this is cow dung. So I'm adding cow dung now, which is around another 20%. Keep on crushing it so that you are able to mix it properly. So I have an insect here, so I'll just remove the insect. So again I'll crush whatever I can. I can add a little bit of sawdust. This is sawdust. A little bit of sawdust, not too much. Now I'll mix it properly. see, this is dried stem of a tree, but it can crush immediately. So I'm preparing this soil this way. Mix it properly. Use a if you want, you can use gloves, or otherwise get the nice feel of gardening. Now to this I am going to add some special additives. If you can read this is goat manure. So this is like cow dung, this is goat's dung. So I am going to use about a spoonful. Consider that I am using approximately this much. That's enough. Then I am going to use a little bit of bone meal. About this much of bone meal. I am also going to use a little bit of neem cake powder. This is neem cake extract. Just a little bit. I'll mix it properly. For the first 2 to 3 weeks, don't use the Chyawanprash, just this soil is good enough. Mix it thoroughly well. Let me show you how I have prepared the pot. This is the same pot from where we removed the plant. Can you see this? I have just put small pieces of broken pot, earth pot, so that the soil doesn't directly go down. And now I am going to fill this with this soil which I have prepared. Right? I can keep it here and I can later fill it. If you find some harder particles, you can remove them. So you fill it approximately this much. Okay. Now I am going to take the plant. This is what we removed this morning. Can you remember this? And just make small inserts or hole here by hand. Maybe some more I will put. Even if I don't have the roots, I can still insert it because it will grow. The roots will grow. Fill it as much as possible. Don't fill up too much. Now I am ready with this soil. So now I am going to add some more soil over it. Don't worry about pouring it directly on the plant. Now it should be finer soil. Don't worry about the soil going on the plant. Once you water it, it will go. Be ready to top it up, top up the soil maybe tomorrow morning or a day, 2 days later. This is how I am preparing it. If you feel that you want to add one more plant here, you can add. now I am done with the potting of the plant. I'll take this aside. I'll take a tray just to show you. Put it here. Take some water and sprinkle it. Since this plant has undergone a major surgery, as I mentioned earlier, this has to be put in intensive care unit. Now what is intensive care unit? Is nothing but a place which is not directly under sun, but it gets indirect sunlight, and it will remain there for at least a week. As soon as you see water coming down, you can consider that your potting is perfect. The water has to go down. Now you have to water this 2 times in a day for 1 week, and after that it will become a regular normal plant which I showed you earlier. That's it. So I hope you liked the process. Try it out. If you have something better than this, let me know, or you have some suggestions, please let me know. Thank you.